A very good evening to all my subscribers for Trade Ideas. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Champion Academy Private Limited. I spotted this trade pretty cool. So for my subscriber who is also my student, yeah, I got a quick update on how you can actually use your multiple time frame. So you can actually try to use your multiple time frame to do your overall analysis. Then you go to your higher time frame to confirm your analysis, and when you go to your higher time frame, you can see that Australian CAD itself, Australian Canada itself is having quite a downtrend movement. Alright, so it is in a way that recommended that you're trading along with the time frame. So let us move up to 4-hour chart itself to look at the support and resistance level. At 9895 level, it is the level I'm looking for a shorting opportunity. This level over here. So this is on a daily time frame, and 4-hour is the analyzing time frame for this trade itself. So yep, daily time frame is over here, and as we can see around that region there are a couple of tests. So this is quite a major resistance level right now. Forward chart is still overall downtrend. Some concern of some traders is over here, it has broken the lower highs over here. So at 1-hour chart, I have developed a trade plan to sweeten this trade. So I am awaiting for such movement. Market go up, hit 98.94. I am not going to do anything. It is possible that the market has some retracement at this range itself, or even it can go deeper. It's fine. Even if it goes to this level, 9810 is fine, or even 9807. Alright, why I'm using the support resistance as a structure. So the first time when it hit, I'm not going to do anything. I will wait for a retest. Alright, so I will wait for the structure to retest the previous high again, 9894, to show that I'm comparing some of the criteria before I engage the trade. So one of the ways, one of the very thing that I'm looking at is whether the market, when it retests, does it close above this price. If it doesn't close above the resistance, I'm waiting for a indecisive candle. Alright, so this small candle, reversal candle over here, to happen at this range, and I'm awaiting for the market to have a reversal move. A close to perfect example will be something that look like this. Alright, so for traders, if you're unsure of what confirmation you have to look for, I would suggest you not to get engage a trade, but to get a proper education before even you look at the trade. So the most I can help you is to identify some of the example I see based on this chart as a qualifier. Alright, and it must happen on the second test over here. So when that happens, my stop loss will go to 9958. Okay, this is the level I'm looking at as my initial stop loss. Target 1 will go to 9811. And final take profit level will go to 9759. So for some of the traders, if you have some trading knowledge, you can actually use this as one of the possible way to engage the trade, and you can even shoot for a extended target below the low price over here. Definitely target 3 for traders who are interested. You can extend to 9705. Previous structure low, market came down and shoot up away from it, and couple of retests, instead 2 retests over here. Yeah, so this is a possible price you might be looking at. So if we do a feed retracement, yeah, I think target 2 will be quite an important area to look at. So if you break beyond target 2, definitely you can head for the final take profit level 9705. If the market can't break target 2 itself, then perhaps it is good to exit at target 2. So with that, the retest of it, which time frame I'm looking at? I'm looking at 1 hour chart. Alright, so for traders who are busy, you can actually check every hour after. And a gentle reminder, tonight there is a FOMC, Federal Reserve interest rate. So people are looking whether they are going to the US increase interest rate this round, or there are any more development from the balance sheet details or announcement that people are looking for. So if you are in the Asia time zone, it will happen around, if you are in the Beijing, Hong Kong, Singapore area, it's around 2 a.m. If it's too late for you, then I would suggest that you might want to look at it tomorrow morning instead, after the confirmation has been done. No point staying up late just to engage a trade. Yep, that's that I have for you. Alright, so let us just quickly look back to our profit and stop loss and profit level. So this portion over here will be my initial stop loss, and these are my targets. Alright, this is my target 1, my target 2, and of course for people who like to shoot for a extended target, you can go for a target 3 over here. Alright, so look at this itself. I think is quite a good trade. I have analyzed myself, and this is indeed quite a good setup. It's just that the recent uptrend movement is kind of strong, so for traders who like to do this, but afraid that Australian might continue to appreciate, you might want to wait for a retest. Even in future, if you like to trade such setup, you'll find that the reward is to risk ratio is pretty good. Your final take profit level is 3:1 ratio. In my perspective, it's pretty good. You might want to wait for a retest. Market came up, hit resistance, came back down, retest again, confirmation before engage a trade. Worst case scenario, you miss the trade, but of course, the best case scenario, you'll hit a 3:1 ratio. Initial stop loss 63 pips, target 1 84 pips, target 236 pips. So final take profit level is easily 180 pips over, just by looking at the ratio block itself. Alright, so that's all I have for you today, guys. If you only receive this video after 20th of September, chances are you are not my subscriber. Subscribe to us by end of September. It is only $10 for your first month, and this promotion will end really soon. Alright, so grab this now, and subsequent month is only $100. Alright, so don't just look at the profit results we have delivered, but more towards the learning part itself. Like today I share with you, I'm waiting to short at 98.94, but I'm awaiting for a retest before I engage a trade. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next trade ideas. All the best.